What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva, Crypto Babe. I'm back. All right, I'm back real quick with this one. Basically, I had a conversation with someone earlier about Warrior Plus. I was guiding them over there. They really didn't have any money, really any. And I said, you can go over here to Warrior Plus, find a product you want to promote. They have everything in here you're going to need, your swipes, etc. And you can earn commissions. And they said they tried, I think this before, but they didn't get paid or something, right? So I was talking to them about it, but I just wanted to show you guys proof that you get paid, but you've got to fill out your proper information. They ask you for information, okay? And then they ask you how you want to get paid. Okay, so you just got to follow up with support. You may have missed something in your dashboard, your back office, but they do pay, guys. All right. I typically don't pull out commissions. I use these commissions a lot of times, really mostly just to come in here and buy traffic from here. They have some good traffic sources in here. So I've been using my commissions to buy traffic. But this time I decided, why not? Let's go ahead and pull out this cash that I had available, and I just want to show you guys proof of that. But you go to Warrior Plus here, tons and tons. It's like ClickBank. If you're familiar with ClickBank, similar to that, you can check them out as well. But Warrior Plus, go here, find a product you want to promote, go in the marketplace, and they've got everything in here for you. So want to show you proof that I received a payment from them. So let's take a look here. Postcard Diva, that's the username that I'm using. And look at here. Here's, I guess this their top ones for today. I mean, tons of products come out every week with this company, this marketplace. So just go in there and check it out. So anyway, works. So this is what I'm doing. This is one of the pages that I created, and I'm getting commissions from people going here. So let me show you this page real quick. Okay, I put this page together for DWP, how I automate daily signups. Right here where they click there, they go to the DWP website where the video is going to explain the program. And then right here I've got this little generic video deal going here, and I say click the button below to unlock your traffic system now, right? And activate your traffic. So this traffic source is hot, and people are going here, they're purchasing traffic, and I'm earning commissions through Warrior Plus. Okay, if you want a copy of this page, a template, I can give you my share code if you join me in LeadsLeap. Okay, LeadsLeap is free. That's what this page is through, LeadsLeap. You can go through Mega Marketing Pro. I'll put that link below. That's free, and it will walk you through how to set up your LeadsLeap system step by step and how to use the share codes. And then you can ask me for my share code for this page, and you can plug in what you want to plug in, okay, with it. All right, and so this right here is getting me commission. All right, so let me show you. Hang on one second. Okay, you can check it out right here. I received an email right here from PayPal, Warrior Plus withdrawal. It says where you received the $100. It's right here. All right. Okay, guys, right here, and then here, once I opened it up, you can see that Warrior Plus withdrawal. That's the company I guess they're under. They sent you $100. Okay, right here. All right, so they absolutely do pay. Again, you need to make sure you've got everything set up correctly. So you can see right here. Here it is again under Warrior Plus, under my account. Right here, they completed it. Sent it to PayPal today. $100. Okay, actually yesterday, that's when that was. So there you have it, guys. All right, so this absolutely does work. Again, you just got to make sure you set up everything correctly. All right, guys. If you want a page like the one I showed you where I had the traffic and all that on it, go ahead and get started with me in Mega Marketing Pro. It's free. And then it will lead you into LeadsLeap, which is free. And then reach out to me and I'll give you the share code because you need LeadsLeap. Okay. That's where you're going to copy the share code. All right. So thank you so much for checking out the video. You know what to do. Like the video, please, and thank you. Go ahead and smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.